What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. Overnight, after a Friday dumperoo, after a Thursday dumperoo, so Thursday we popped up to 5,600 straight down, parked it, came down again, and I think there was a ton of buying here. Well, I don't think I know because I watched the tape of this 68 level where we closed. So a lot of buying here in this 55, 60 area. 45, 40 was a big area. We tapped it on the upper end and then dumped. And now we are down all the way down to 52.31. 52.01 is your overnight low. I have singles to clean up at 87. We're dumping again right now. So I'm going to watch that. I'm going to watch the 80. 52, 18, 22 is a big level. And then 51.05 is your 220 EMA. I think 50.95 or 50.90 something is limit down, which I don't think I've ever posted a limit down number in the video, but we are doing that today. So, congratulations, folks. We have we're finally looking at a limit down day. If they don't stick save this again, it's only 5:38 in the morning Eastern time, so we will see. Here's your, my bad. Here's your hourly. 51.60 is your S3. We could stop there. I like that 80 first. 46 S2, we've broken through that. Now, mind you, these are wide because of the move the other day, so it's going to be real interesting. Here's your futures gap up to 58, so that's another number I would look for. But here's your pop, and then we've come straight down. It's quite remarkable. Rarely do we see moves like this. So it's kind of an exciting time. Here's your daily, just a barf, right? 50.92 is your 200-day moving average, and it kind of coincides with your limit down. So definitely be watching that on the daily as well. At some point, you would think that they're going to park this and bring it back up. I wouldn't try to catch any knives today. I think tomorrow is going to be the ripper. I think we dump today, maybe hold down in this area, and then rip it back up tomorrow. We've erased 2 months of gains, and 51.05 erases a whole 3 months of gains. But I do like that level. Your monthly closing is at 51.20. So I do like that 18.22 level as well. So again, we will see where they decide to park it. I liked that 74 level, but 52, 74, 79, that was a big level. It sliced right through it. So we did uptick back up to 77 on a rebound just recently. So it came back up to 77 and has come back down. So again, we could look at that 74, 77 area as an attempt to squeeze back up. But again, I don't know. Here's your weekly below the 52.60, which is an R1. So we've gone through R2 and R1 on the weekly, yearly pivots. 45.21 is your pivot. Again, I don't see them getting it down there. Who knows? You got to keep an open mind with these things. Huge cash gap, 83 to 46. But at 53.46 right now, we're going to open up basically around 5,200. As of now. So that's going to be very interesting. I have a cash gap here at 51.42 to 27 and then 51.01 to 64. I don't see we get, who knows. So again, we're going to open up, as of now, if we open cash now, we're going to have another 150 point gap. Again, these will be filled. So the reversal, as we saw that last Thursday when we ripped 130 points off the low after that Microsoft beat and then ripped back down and made new lows, that's indicative of a short squeeze in a bear market. So just keep in mind that in the bear markets, as we traverse down, the rip on the upside is ferocious. And so I think that that's what a lot of people are expecting on Friday, and that's why all that buying came in into this area here, into this 50, 55, 60 area. I mean, it was substantial volume coming in. And I think these guys were like, okay, we've come down this far. Like, this is it. Now Monday's going to rally. And then Japan fell apart, and the yen carry trade fell apart, and now everything's uncertain. So it's going to be very interesting. NVIDIA down. Okay, so then here's the other thing. Everyone bought this at 100 thinking it was the bargain of the century, and now they're in the red by 4 points, or four bucks. So NVIDIA down 96, so down $11 now, which is about 10%. Here's your NASDAQ's coming back down. Interesting, the euro popped because there's emergency rate cut deals coming down, so that means that the dollar would go down and the euro would go up. Tilt is higher, so bonds are bid. This is all going to be a fantastic reversal at some point, but what a fascinating time to be alive. So right now, I mean, that 9.7 level on which has held on the euro has been okay, but we will see if that reverses back down. I think this is priming for a decent short, but I don't know yet. I will wait. I will probably stay away today. Just watch the price action unless, we rally back up to like 74, 77, hold it. I might try another short down. SPX, the overnight, I believe, was down to 51.70. 5,200 is quite a threshold. Again, that was a 52.01 stop on ES. If we lose that level, we can continue lower. So you're getting into short strikes, you're getting into troubled areas. And again, crashes come from the bottom, not the top. So typically you come down and you hold, and then the bottom falls out. And I don't know if we're seeing that now. They could recover this 150 points today with ease, probably. So I don't know. My suggestion is to stay away today. When you have a 150 point overnight range, you've already had 500,000 trade. I would sideline it and just enjoy the show. Nasdaq's down 855 points. Dow's down 645. RTY's down 90. So absolute carnage. But again, this could go down another 100 points in the SPOOs, and it could rip up another 150. So I don't know. Again, I would stay away. This is wildly entertaining, and I would just enjoy the show. And then we'll look tomorrow, because I think if we come down some in-the-money call credit or put credit spreads up above might be warranted to catch a relief rally. I think tomorrow, Tuesday, we have the potential for 150 point just straight up ripper relief rally. But again, I want to see how today plays out, especially cash. We haven't even seen the cash session. So anyway, crazy times. These are very few. You're not going to see market moves like this, so enjoy it and watch and learn how the market reacts, and keep an open mind. I'll be in and out all day.